Hi guys, in this video I set to expose about the crushed rubber aggregate and how this affects the mechanical behavior of concrete with respect to the temperature. Introduction. Today is increasingly difficult to deal with physical and chemical waste, where it is detected more and more every day due to the industrial processes that are carried out throughout the world. In this study, I will talk about how to work with solid automobile waste, which is crushed rubber. Materials. In this section, we find the materials that will be used and some of their characteristic stories, such as Portland cement type 2, crushed dolomite, crushed sand. In the graph, we can see the grain size curve of the fine and coarse aggregates. In this section, we find the characteristics of crumbled rubber, such as specific gravity, as will at its grain curve according to ASTM C126. Mixed designs. These are mainly three designs. The air mix design that has no rubber aggregate. TY15 indicating the percentage of sand replacement by amount of rubber, and TY13 having 30% crushed rubber. Subsequently, we find the ratio of water cement, quantities of water, cement, crushed rubber, fine and coarse aggregates, and finally the slump. Results. Weight loss. It was possible to determine that two species whose specific a greater amount of rubber aggregates had a greater weight loss regardless of the magnitude of temperature to which they were exposed. That is, a higher added amount, higher weight loss. Compressive strength. You can determine which species the highest percentage of rubber aggregates suffered a greater reduction in compressive strength, that is, a higher amount of aggregate, higher reduction of compressive strength. The resistance also reduced at higher temperature. Tensile strength. In this section, we can determine that there is a quite remarkable reduction for the TY15 and TY30 mixed designs. This due to the amount of rubber that is added in the replacement of the fine aggregates. As a consequence, a great drop in tensile strength relative to mixed designs are. Elastic modulus. The elastic modulus is another property that is affected by the amount of rubber that is added, resulting in decrease directly proportional to the percentage of rubber aggregate and the magnitude of the exposure temperature. Deformations. It can be determined that the lower the temperature, the greater the resistance to compressive, as well as the less deformation. This for the three casts in particular. The lost compressive strength to the concrete due to the substitution of 15% of natural sand with crushed rubber was almost constant, around 35% at different temperatures. For the specimen containing 13% chrome gum, the highest compressive loss of strength and 56% occurred at 400 degrees centigrade. And in this order of ideas, and it can be concluded that automobile type rubbers as fine aggregates for concrete mixture used for construction generates a great decrease in the main mechanical properties of hydraulic concrete. Okay, thank you very much for the attention and see you later.